minus 8 to the power of 1 over 3. Alright, so the first step we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is we'll take the minus outside. Minus 1 outside. And we'll concentrate on the 8. What's the third root of 8?
2.
So basically, minus 1 times, yeah, third root of 8 is equal to minus 1 times 2. Minus 1 times 2? Minus 2. Nice one. That was, and part 2. We had minus 64 to the power of third. Take the minus outside. Right, a power of a third is the what's the third root of 64?
4.
4, isn't it? So it's 4 times minus 1.
Minus 4.
See what we're doing now, we're just skipping a step. Power 3, minus 1000. Alright, so we'll take the minus outside. Now what's the third root of 1000?
10.
10. Minus 1 times 10.
Minus 10.
Alright, a couple of other ones. 128. The power of 1 over 7. So definitely, yeah. So what you could do is you could do it by trial and error. You could start by guessing. Okay, 128. It's probably 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 7 2s. Does that make 128?
Yeah.
It does, yeah. So.
Do you have that time?
What?
You don't have that time.
Well, you can guess. Experience. You can guess. You can use your calculator. All right. So you key in. You can easily calculate that, can't you? And so the answer is 2.
Minus 2 then.
Okay. There was no minus in that sum, right? All right. Question 13. So I've got 100 power of 3 over 2. So what does the 2 mean first of all?
Square.
Square root of 100. And the 3 means whatever answer I get, cube it. So square root of 100 is 10 to the power of 3.
1000.
This is 1000. Alright, and look at power 3. If I had 16 to the power of 5 over 4. First of all, what's the fourth root of 16?
2.
Is 2. And then 2 to the power of 5?
32.
32. Alright. Alright. Now we go a step further. VII. If I have 1 over 25, power of 3 over 2. Now remember in this step, what I can do is I can break it up, so I can write down 1 to the power of 3 over 2 over 25 to the power of 3 over 2. Alright, so I'll deal with the 1 first. So what does the 2 mean? Square root of 1 is 1. And 1 to the power of 3, so 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1. Right, what does the 2 mean? The 2 means the square root of 25, which is 5. What's 5 to the power of 3? 5 by 5 by 5? 125. Okay, you see that? Right, so we'll go on. So we'll go to that's another one. 4 over 9 to the power of 5 over 2. What does that mean? It means 4 to the power of 5 over 2 divided by 9 to the power of 5 over 2. Right, we'll deal with the top bit first. So 4, what does the 2 mean? Square root of 4 to the power of 5. Square root of 4 is 2 to the power of 5.
32.
We'll do the bottom bit now. 9, so it's the square root of 9 to the power of 5. So 3 to the power of 5.
243.
Next one. 81 over 25. It's to the power of half, so this is a lot easier, this one. Alright, so it's 81 to the power of half over 25 to the power of half. So it's the square of 81 over square root of 25. 9 over 5. And we might as well do one more. So x. We have 8 over 27 to the power of 2 over 3. Break it up. 8 to the power of 2 over 3 over 27 to the power of 2 over 3. Alright, so what does 8, what does the 3 mean? Third root of 8, and then your answer, you square it. Down here you get third root of 27. Then you square it. Right, so the third root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Third root of 27 is 3. 3 squared is 9. That's great. You're saying them as if you're so bored. Well, you know them well.